You'll look at me when you answer all these questions.
Oh, look right there. Oh, that thing's moving. My name's Tony Priester. I work at Milliken in the hatch plant. How I came to Milliken was my wife's grandmother told me that they were hiring here at the hatch plant. And so we fast forward to 33 years. My current role was overhead variable supervisor. I was working for Milliken when the first MPS process was put in place. Milliken Performance Systems is a system that customers come to us for help with their daily team maintenance, quality pillars, the whole process of trying to get their facilities and their company's standards up. They like hearing perspective from not only me, but the associates that's been on the ground, been able to explain to them what we went through, what we have done. The reason I stayed with Milliken for 33 years is because here we feel like a part of a family, and that means a lot.
That's what I was used to, more of a family environment. My name is Casey Parker. I'm the HR specialist here at the Allen plant. The thing that I'm most excited and passionate about is just helping the associates and being that forefront of the associates. What makes me want to come here and work safe is, of course, first, my husband. I have nieces and nephews that mean the world to me, and I enjoy doing all kinds of things with them as well. And my sister works here at Milliken. She actually started almost 2 years ago now, and I was actually the one that encouraged her to apply and come on board at Milliken.
My name is David Diaz. Milliken has brought me, for example, an opportunity to learn about a lot of things that I didn't have the chance to learn before, even though I was in a manager role, let's say. It's nice, to know that this company, who doesn't even know me, is willing to help me become a better person and grow in the company. So I really appreciate that.
My name is Frangeli Tejeda. I like to come into work and be challenged. Recently, I've had a conversation with one of my superiors where, I'm looking to go into a different department and learn and help. And, that's a new challenge for me. So I like that. I like working with, I like the people that I work with. And that has a lot to do with it.
So one of the fabrics we make is Texgen. And we make the outer layer here. And so this is a three-piece ensemble. So you got an outer layer, you have a batting, and you have a liner. And those all protect the firemen. So my name is Brad Keller. I'm supply chain manager at the Limestone plant in Gaffney, South Carolina. Milliken always had a great name in the market. They purchased this facility, and they were able to take the technologies they have in the finishing and marry them up with our abilities to make the FR fabrics. One of the main reasons I like the FR fabrics are the fact that my son-in-law is a fireman. He gets to come home to my granddaughter and my daughter. And that's what means the most to me.
You're gonna make me cry.
Sorry about that. Marcus, my son-in-law, in day-to-day operations, most of their calls are medic calls. So this allows him to go to a medic call and protects him. If it turns out to be an accident, things of that nature, he's protected in case it does flash into a fire. And it allows him to be nimble enough to where he can get the person out of the vehicle and get them to safety before a fire would actually start. It's just so important to me in the world that we're actually making something that we're protecting somebody's life.
Each one of us got a family, especially when you work real close with somebody that's been working here so long. It seems like part of your family. I'm Rodney Fannin. I'm a technician at Milliken Live Oak plant. Mostly we make carpet tiles and area rugs, and we have printed products, and we have some that tufted. And depending on what the customer desires, we try to implement and make for them. They make a small sample out there, they send it to the customer, make sure it's what they need. And next thing you know, it's on the floor, making it, and they shipping it out. When new guys come in, I would be the first one they put them with, because I have most experience in what we do on our team. It get real special when you see somebody take to what you're trying to instruct them in. It make me real proud to see them go on up the corporate ladder.
Ready, this way.
Dennis Barras. So I make sure the product runs good and make sure everybody's safe. One of the things to keep the team happy is ask. First in the morning, the first thing I do is walk around and says, how are you? How you doing? How's your sleep? How's your night? You have to care about people, about what you do, make sure they're safe. What keeps me here? I love this place. I love what I do.